Don't let your digital life die with you. In this video today, I'm going to discuss something super important and frankly, a little overlooked. Your digital estate plan. We live so much of our lives online, from banking to social media, cryptocurrency, cloud stored photos, even AI-generated content. Our digital footprint is enormous. But have you ever stopped to think about what happens to all of that content when you're no longer around? Who gets access to it? Who manages it? Who even knows it exists? The truth is, without a proper plan, your digital life can become a mess. It can be confusing, even a costly nightmare for your loved ones. And with the way technology is evolving, especially here in 2026, this is not just a niche concern anymore. It's essential to everyone. So today, we're going to walk through the 5 critical steps to help you get your digital ducks in a row. This isn't about passwords, it's about preserving memories, protecting assets, and preventing unnecessary stress. My name is Leon Jones Jr. I am the managing attorney here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group. And for over 15 years, I've practiced in both federal and state courts in Arkansas. I've worked for a Fortune 100 company, been the director of the Arkansas Department of Labor, and the executive director of the Arkansas Fair Housing Commission. Now, I help and advise clients and represent clients in business law, civil litigation, estate planning, and family law. And over these many years, I've had families deal with issues like this. And I hope this video provides some insight into how I provide my advice to those families, which is different for everyone. So step 1, identify your digital footprint. Identify and inventory all of your digital assets, social media, email, cloud storage, crypto, subscriptions. This is your first homework assignment. So grab a pen, piece of paper, or open a secure document. Think about everywhere you exist online. First, social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, LinkedIn. Do you want them memorialized, deleted, or have the content saved? Second, email accounts, Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and yes, some people still have AOL. These are often keys to unlocking everything else. Third, cloud storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud, OneDrive. All of these have your personal files in them. Fourth, financial accounts, online banking, investment platforms, PayPal, Venmo, cryptocurrency, non-fungible tokens or NFTs, Bitcoin, digital art collection, which require special attention due to their unique security concerns. And fifth, subscription services, Netflix, Spotify, Amazon. Who needs to cancel these? Do you want to keep them? 6, AI-generated content. Are you earning royalties from any art or music? Who owns the prompt rights? Who generates the output? These are huge areas for 2026. Don't forget about your websites, your blogs, your gaming accounts, your loyalty programs. It's more than what you can think about. So step 2, who's in charge? Once you know what you have, the next step is deciding who will handle it. You have to appoint a digital executor to manage your online accounts after you pass away. Just like you have an executor for your physical estate, you'll need someone specifically tasked with your digital one. This person should be tech savvy, trustworthy, and understand your wishes. Many estate plans are now explicitly naming executors for their digital content. They'll be responsible for accessing accounts where legally permissible, closing them, memorializing profiles, and transferring any digital assets like cryptocurrency. So make sure they know what they're getting themselves into and have the legal authority to act on your behalf. Step 3, the access and problem legacy tools. Document all of your login credentials using secure password managers. I can't stress this enough. Writing down passwords on a sticky note or a non-encrypted document is a big no. Please use a dedicated, secure password manager like LastPass or 1Password, my personal favorite, or Dashlane. You can leave instructions with your digital executor on how to access these accounts with the master password or have an emergency access feature. Through online, traditional means like sealed envelopes with your attorney. I had a client who refused to do digital password storage system, and one day they got hacked. The password to several accounts were changed, and it took several months and countless hours to regain access. This lesson finally changed the way this client handled their passwords. Don't be like this client. Secure your passwords now. This centralizes everything safely and it makes it manageable. In fact, many platforms have built-in tools to set up legacy contacts designed to make things easier. For example, Apple's legacy contacts allows a chosen person to access your iCloud data and personal information after you passed away. Google Inactive Account Manager lets you decide what happens to your data after a period of inactivity, who gets notified, who gets access, or if the account is to be deleted. Meta, Facebook, and Instagram, their legacy contacts allow someone to manage and memorialize their accounts, respond to friend requests, and update profile pictures. These are often the simplest ways to manage these specific accounts, but they don't cover everything. So to learn more about how we assist our clients here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group with these and other types of situations, click the link below and let's get started today. Now, step 4, the future of your digital legacy. This next item is increasingly important because of our AI-driven world. Whether, let's say you're a creator, or an artist, or someone just experimenting with AI, you might have digital assets that generate income or are culturally significant. Think about AI-generated art, music, writing. Who owns the rights to continue generating or selling these items? How should the earnings or royalties from these platforms be distributed? Also, have you considered your digital likeness? If your voice or image is used in AI models, what are your wishes for its use after you're gone? And NFTs, digital assets that can have real-world value. They should be transferred or they should be sold. It's your choice. This is where you have to get creative with your legal counsel, as the laws are still catching up to this space. You also need to define clear wishes for memorialization or deletion of your social media profiles. Do you want your Facebook page to become a memorial, or would you prefer all of your accounts to be deleted so you can maintain privacy? But you have to be specific with this. These are personal choices. You have to let your family know what you want. And number 5, security and legal authority. For valuable digital assets, security is paramount. Securely store your physical hardware keys or recovery phrases for cryptocurrency or NFTs. If your own crypto or NFTs have likely hardware wallets or speed phrases, a list of words for backups, these are physical items. Treat them like cash and jewelry. Your digital executor needs to know where these are and how they should be accessed, perhaps in a safe deposit box or at home safe. Losing these is like losing your entire crypto fortune with no way to get it back. You also need to ensure your legal documents reflect your digital wishes. So you have to update your will or your trust to explicitly grant the digital executor legal authority. While legacy tools do help, a strong legal foundation is essential. Your will or your trust should explicitly name your digital executor and empower them to access, manage, and distribute your digital assets according to your wishes within the bounds of the law. This avoids potential legal roadblocks with services to providers who may deny access without the proper documentation. So there you have it, 5 critical steps to updating your digital estate plan. This isn't just about protecting your assets. It's about preserving your legacy and erasing the burden for your loved ones during your lifetime. Don't put this off. Start with a simple inventory today. Talk to your family, talk to your estate planning attorney who understands digital assets, and use these tools and tips to build a robust plan. The stakes underscore the need for professional guidance and coordinated planning with an experienced attorney. I encourage each of you to evaluate your situation early and discuss your unique needs with qualified professionals to secure the best possible outcomes. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel to learn more valuable information about how we here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group protect our clients' legacy and advocate for their rights. Let me know in the comments also what digital assets are you concerned about protecting.